All right, now let's go ahead and graph. We have 0, 10, 1, 8. No, that's not where 1 is. Sorry. 1, 8, 2, 6, 3, 4, 4, 2, and 5, 0. Now, as we've plotted these, we have to ask ourselves, is this continuous or discrete? In the example, it was discrete because we can only have whole numbers of notebooks and book covers. But here, we're talking about pounds of oranges and pounds of apples. And kind of like we did with our examples here, we saw that with weight, it's continuous, which means I can buy half a pound of apples. I can buy half a pound of oranges. So while, yes, we found these specific points, we can also have the in-between. So I'm going to go ahead and connect these dots. Now, we still can't have negatives. I can't buy negative apples or negative oranges, but we can buy the in-between. The last thing we need to discuss quickly is, what do these mean? Well, for example, if I take the point 1, 8, it means that I'll put Marjorie bought 1 apple and 8 oranges. And notice that costs $10. The 0.34 would mean that Marjorie bought 3 apples and 4 oranges, which also costs $10. So when they ask us to interpret our points, that's what they're asking us to do. Now on the next page, page 297, we practice with graphing. And we spent a whole chapter on graphing, so I'm going to let you guys read over this at your own pace. Just keep in mind that solutions of an equation are ordered pairs that make it true. So for example, any point on this line, like 1, 3, if I put the number 1 in for x and 3 in for y, it should be something that's true. Do you guys agree that 1 plus 2 is 3? Yep, sure is. Is 2 plus 2 4? Yep. Is 3 plus 2 5? Yep. And that's why these points work on the equation. So on the next page, they want us to graph these two. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it for us. We're picking the values. I'm going to go ahead and pick 0, 1, 2, and 3 for each of these. So we're trying to see what is 0 minus 5. Oh, look at that. It's negative 5. And then as an ordered pair, that'd be 0, negative 5. I don't think you guys need to watch me do this whole thing, so I'm just going to cut to where the solutions are up and you can double check.